Hey, did you know you can easily switch between different AI models within Ask Alpha? That's right. You can seamlessly alternate between ChatGPT 4 and Anthropic's Claude to get the best of both worlds. Just look for the model selector in your interface, and with a simple click, you can change from one powerhouse AI model to another. Here we have the Sonnet 3.5 model currently selected. We can ask it a question. Write me a short email to my boss asking for that. We'll get a good response here from the Claude model. Right, we can see that it's given us a very specific message. It allows us to fill in the boss's name, and then we can just copy and paste it from here, put it into our email client. That helps us build a message. But what if we want to try something else? We can try switching the model here, and I can select GPT-4 and then I can regenerate, and now I'll regenerate the same query with a different model, and we should now expect to see a different result.